DDG says he's the first rapper to take a shower on an airplane. At Pontiac Made, DDG tweeted out, "I'm the first rapper to take a shower on an airplane. Watch now on my Snapchat, Pontiac Made DDG." Soulja Boy finna choke the ish out of dude. He more like the first rapper to get slapped out his sleep in his own house. Soulja Boy ain't gonna like this ish. Only funny when Soulja Boy says it. Soulja Boy setting up the phone right now. I thought bro got married at first. Man, I'm telling you, don't let Soulja Boy see this.